Hey there, breakfast lovers! Are you ready to fuel your day with a delicious and energizing meal? Introducing our excellent Energizer breakfast recipe. To make this breakfast, you'll need 2 tablespoons of oats, 2 tablespoons of almonds, 3 dates, 1 to 2 cup of milk, 1 to 2 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 to 4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of honey. Start by blending together the oats, almonds, dates, milk, chia seeds, cinnamon, and honey until smooth and creamy. Pour the mixture into a bowl and top it off with an extra drizzle of honey for sweetness. This energizing breakfast is packed with nutrients to kickstart your day. Oats provide slow-release energy to keep you feeling full and focused, while almonds add protein and healthy fats for sustained energy. Dates are a natural sweetener, rich in vitamins and minerals, while chia seeds are loaded with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids to support digestion and brain health. And let's not forget the cinnamon, which adds a warm and comforting flavor, perfect for starting your morning on a high note.